Today I'll show you how to factory reset your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. First you have your MacBook, and I didn't smell it. This is the MacBook Air, but this is going to be the same for MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. Go to General, and then under General you have the option for transfer or reset. Tap on transfer or reset. You can use the migration assistant to transfer information, data, computer settings. Before you erase your Mac, make sure you back up all the files that you have on your Mac. If you have something in the iCloud drive, that's not going to disappear, but any local files, you have to make sure you still want them, or you can leave them there and they will be erased. To erase all contents, I'm going to go through this process. Most important here, you have to sign out from your Apple account, but I believe this will do it automatically for everything. First, you have to enter the password. This is the local password for this account on this Mac, not your Apple account password, and press unblock to open the erase assistant. So this is going to be erased. The Apple account will be signed out, which is great. I don't need to do it manually. All the fingerprints used for unlocking this Mac will be removed, and the Find My and Activation Lock will be turned off. So this is what you want. Press continue, and now you have to enter the password of your Apple account, your iCloud account. I press continue, and now this is going to do the whole factory reset. Sign out of Find My, enter the password for the Apple account. That's my Apple account. To turn it off, press continue. And there is a two-factor authentication. I have to check this. I have to verify on my iPhone that I allow this 548629, and I have to enter the same code. Carefully understand what you're about to do. All the content, pictures, documents, everything will be removed from your Mac, so make sure this is exactly what you want to do. All data, settings, and app will be erased. This cannot be undone. This process is complete when your Mac displays hello, like a brand new Mac. Press cancel if you change your mind. So I press erase, and it's going to take a while. We get the Apple logo and this progress indication. Make sure your Mac is plugged in. Okay. I have to connect it to the internet during this setup. Confirm that the Mac is activated, so I have to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, it's connected, and now it's activating the Mac. It's spinning. Okay, your Mac is activated. It will restart in a few seconds, so I press restart and it will reset. I'm not setting it, I'm just resetting it. So this is, now this is ready. The Mac is activated and you can start. Now this is ready to ship to someone who needs it. The most important thing is that now this Mac is reset and it's ready to be set up with any other account. I hope this helps you reset your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching.